Hello, thanks for stopping by. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my powder room, or I should say just doing a few little tweaks to my powder room. I'm using things that I already have in my home. I'm going to do a couple of repurposing projects of some things that I have. That's what I'm all about this season, is using what I have at wherever I can, and so this is no exception. So let's go ahead and get started. So the guest bathroom was looking like this from the spring refresh that I did. I really liked it. I'm not going to invest anything in this space for the fall season. I'm going to use what I have on hand, but I am going to switch out a few things in here. So I'm going to start off with this drink table that I had in here. I was just using that to hold my hand towels and my soap. I'm going to replace it with this piece. I moved this out of another bathroom in my home. I was really sick of this piece, and I decided that instead of getting rid of it, I'll just paint it and give it a new life and put it in this guest bathroom and then just kind of decorate it a little bit. That'll be kind of nice. That gives it a new life. So these styling videos are all about using what you have. So I just went and shot my stash. I found this little elephant here that I've had, and these little things here, I don't know where they came from, maybe the Dollar Tree or Dollar General, but I'm going to go ahead and put those here. I think they'll go nicely with the little thing. Down here I'm going to put like some excess toilet paper, and then I'll find a little something up here. Now this is going to kind of obstruct the space here, so I don't want anything too big, but I do want a little something there. Now, keeping with the theme of using what you have, I have these discs right outside of the powder room on the wall. I've had them for a long time. They were in my living room at one time, and then I put them in the wall just outside the powder room. But I decided to give them a facelift just to kind of make them, just look more modern and, whatever. So I just painted them black, my favorite color. And I'm going to trim them in a little bit of gold. I actually saw some at Home Goods the other day, and I'm like, that's exactly what I can do with this. So sometimes you already have the things that you look at and admire in the stores, or you can make it look close enough, right? So that's what it's about here. So I'm giving them this fresh paint job here, and they look nice. I like them already. And then I'm going to take them inside and just kind of put a little bit of gold around the rim, and I put gold on the back just because. I don't even know why I did that, because you really don't see it, but I did it. I just really love to paint. I've discovered that later in life. I never knew that I liked to paint, but I just find it so therapeutic, so relaxing. I just turn on the TV, get my paint out, and I just paint up any old thing. I needed some more hand soap in here, so I found this at TJ Maxx. I think it was $8.99 for this dual set of hand soap and hand lotion. So I thought I would add that in the space. But I really liked the way that it looked, too, because it came with the little caddy that it goes in. So that was kind of nice. Little changes. Sometimes it doesn't take a whole lot to really change up a look, and that's what I wanted to accomplish with this. And the best part is this only cost $8.99 for this whole refresh. And now here we're going in for the reveal. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, tell a friend about it. Also hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. Would love to have you stick around here, as well as the post notification bell. I've got a lot of stuff coming up and I don't want you to miss it. If you're a returning family member, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you all over here on my next video. Bye now.